What did she say? She got her scared?
Yeah.
What did she say?
She Hoppy.
Yeah, Hopi got scared? And what happened?
I don't know. I said Hoppy. She's crying. Hoppy's crying. And Hoppy's scared.
Yeah?
No.
Why was she scared?
Crying.
Yeah.
Hoppy's crying.
And she was scared?
What's that noise?
Really? What's that?
What is that?
What is it?
It's firework.
It's fireworks?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's fireworks?
Yeah, point fireworks?
Yeah.
You can't point fireworks in that.
Yeah, what happens with the fire?
I don't know.
What does the fire do?
Beep beep.
Yeah, the beep beep?
Mm-hmm. And baby's scared.
Oh,
Yeah. How scared? What's that?
what is that?
I don't know.
I-
It's my tummy.
It's your tongue? Oh my God.
What's that? I smell something.
You
You
smell,
smell something. What is it?
She's got,
What is it? What does it smell like?
gross.
Like what?
He eats apples.
Eating apples? It smells like apples? You like apples?
She eats apples too.
She eats apples too?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She like it. She sits over there.
She sits down?
Look at she sits. She down like that. She sits down like that. She walks. What's up?
I did that first.